Knowing your adversaries and what they might exploit helps your organization stay one step ahead. But performing reconnaissance manually is time-consuming, tedious, and more often than not leads you down numerous dead ends. ThreatPipes automates intelligence gathering, quickly arming you with the cyber threat intelligence necessary to identify and prioritize critical threats to your organization. Let's imagine you've just received a critical incident inside of your incident response platform. One of the artifacts identified within the incident is an IP address, responsible for some anomalous behavior. You can take that artifact and any others identified in the incident to start a ThreatPipe scan. A scan automates the reconnaissance of intelligence, querying hundreds of sources on the internet and dark web, from reputation systems to leak sites to search engines and so on. You can see the hundreds of sources you can use to perform intelligence gathering. Just imagine how long it would take to look at all of these sources individually. Once you've configured and started the scan, ThreatPipes will begin to perform reconnaissance and deliver intelligence in real time. And you'll notice it doesn't just dump intel as a table of results you'll need to decipher. ThreatPipes is designed to provide detailed yet actionable intelligence. For example, we can see here a correlation rule has been triggered. Correlation rules analyze relationships within the intelligence collected and point you to high-risk results. Here, a correlation rule has uncovered that the domain has been reported by multiple threat lists. Correlations will look for relationships between all kinds of things: threat lists, leaked data dumps, open ports, software being used. In short, things that are of risk to your organization. But a scan doesn't just highlight the malicious data. With intelligence, context is key. As with manual reconnaissance, the scan has pulled up lots of results in its research. Of course, not all will be a threat. Some are just informational. What really differentiates ThreatPipes from other tools is that ThreatPipes performs a deep analysis of a threat. It looks at the big picture, not just the obvious stuff. Yes, it would be easy to stop here and block this IP address on our endpoints as malicious. But you shouldn't just stop there. ThreatPipes follows chains of intelligence to uncover other threat indicators with a relationship to your original target, as the intelligence graph for this scan shows. A domain entered in a scan might resolve to SSL certificates, email addresses, other IPs, and so on. ThreatPipes will take these artifacts and gather intelligence on those too. This is incredibly useful. It means you can jump back to your incident response tool to see if affiliates uncovered during a scan have also been observed in your logs. It is quite likely you might be looking at a larger, more mature threat within your network than you might have initially assumed. But as you know, these relationships change over time. Attackers continually evolve their techniques to stay ahead. ThreatPipes will periodically rescan a target and analyze if any changes are being observed. Perhaps an actor is launching a new phishing campaign from the same servers used previously. Observing the evolution of a threat means you can proactively address the risks to keep up with your fast-moving adversaries. And ThreatPipes can be used offensively too. Intelligence gathered during a scan can also reveal a lot of information about your organization, providing insights into your network architecture, open ports, vulnerabilities, any potential data leaks, the software you use, and lots more sensitive information that attackers can use against you. Regardless of how you use ThreatPipes, you'll receive detailed intelligence reports pointing you to potential security weaknesses and threats to your organization. Focus more on action and less on analysis. Download the ThreatPipe Starter Edition for free and see what you find.